This Buick LaCrosse delivers a gas V6 3.6-liter/217 engine powering this automatic transmission. Cruise control, wireless charging, located in center console, wipers, front intermittent. This Buick LaCrosse features the following options: windshield, solar absorbing, windows, power, rear with express down, windows, power with driver and front passenger express up/down, wheels, 18, 45.7 centimeters, ultra bright machine faced aluminum, wheel, compact spare 17, 43.2 centimeters, steel, visors, driver and front passenger illuminated vanity mirrors. Universal home remote includes garage door opener, 3-channel programmable, turn signals, side mounted indicator lamps, trunk latch, safety, manual release, toolkit, road emergency. Visit us today. Come in for a quick visit at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia B9T3L3 to claim your Buick LaCrosse.